Everyone, welcome to TechsPossible. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can download the Hyper-V in Windows 11 home version. You cannot see the Hyper-V option in Windows turn on or off feature in the Windows 11 home version. If I search the turn on or off features, if I go to here and if I search here, you cannot see the Hyper-V option here. So to install the Hyper-V version in Windows 11 home, you can download it in another way. But if you are using the Windows 11 Pro version or Enterprises version, then you can see the uh, Hyper-V version in your system. So to download the Hyper-V in your system, first of all, go to the description in my video link. Go to the description in my video, and you will get one link there, and you can just download the some notepad file from there. And after downloading that file, you can just open it and copy paste into the desktop, and just open it, and you will see this code. And just click on the file option and just save this code. Just save this code with extension as hyper-v.bat extension. Don't forget to use the bat extension and just save this file into the desktop. And after saving this file into the desktop, you will see the full file name will be like this. And after creating this file, just right click here and run as administrator mode, and just click here. And after clicking here, you will get it will take some time, and it will ask you to restart your computer. And after restarting your system or your computer laptop, and after restarting your laptop or computer, you can search, go to the search option and just search the Hyper-V manager, and you can see Hyper-V manager will show into your system. So just open it Hyper-V, and you will make the VMware or whatever you want. You will do the same work as like the from the Windows 11 Enterprises version or Windows 11 Pro version. So you can create the virtual machine like this. So if you get any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you find this video is helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so very much.